In this video, I'll show you how to use the Georeferencer in QGIS. The Georeferencer is a tool that lets you assign geographic coordinates to an image that doesn't already contain location information, so it can be displayed in the correct position on a map. This is commonly used for old maps, scanned paper maps, and aerial photographs. First, open Layer Georeferencer. Next, drag and drop the image you want to georeference into the Georeferencer window. You can also open it by clicking Open Raster or Open Vector in the upper left corner. Now click a recognizable location on the image. A dialog called Enter Map Coordinates will appear. Click from Map Canvas. Then click the exact same location on the map canvas. The coordinates for that point will be recorded. Click OK. Repeat this process for several locations across the image. Although some transformation methods only require 2 control points, I recommend using 6 to 10 points for better accuracy. Try to distribute the points evenly across the entire image. If all of the points are concentrated in one area, the alignment may become inaccurate in other parts of the image. The red residual lines represent the difference between the point you selected and the calculated position. If a residual line is unusually long, double-check that the control point was placed correctly. If you need to adjust a point, use the Move GCP point tool. If you want to remove a point, simply use the Delete GCP point tool. For this example, I've added 8 control points. Next, let's configure the transformation settings. Click the gear icon to open the transformation settings. First, choose the transformation type. QGIS provides several options. Linear, translation and rotation only. Helmert, translation, rotation and scaling. Polynomial 1. Corrects small distortions. Polynomial 2 and 3. Corrects more complex distortions. Thin plate spline. Allows flexible warping. Projective. Suitable for oblique images or perspective distortion. If you're just getting started, I recommend choosing Polynomial 1. Next, select the CRS. Simply choose the coordinate reference system you normally use for your project. The output file location is filled in automatically, but you can change the file name or save location if you'd like. Next, choose a resampling method. Resampling determines how pixel values are interpolated after the image is transformed. Common options include nearest neighbor, fastest, ideal for maps and labels, bilinear, good for aerial imagery, cubic, produces smoother results, cubic B-spline, even smoother output, Lanczos, high-quality interpolation. For most beginners, nearest neighbor is the best choice. The remaining settings usually don't need to be changed. However, if set resolution is checked with unexpected values, it's a good idea to uncheck it. Click OK to save the settings. Finally, click the Start Georeferencing button in the upper left corner. When the process finishes, the image will be added to your map in the correct geographic location. You can also save your control points and reuse them later if needed. That's how you georeference images in QGIS. Once you learn this workflow, you'll be able to use old maps, scan drawings, aerial photographs, and many other images in your GIS projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.